Welcome to our full guide on how to buy Vbucks using an Amazon gift card. Today, we'll walk you through every step, ensuring you get right back into the game. First, let's talk about what Amazon gift cards are and how they can be used to purchase Vbucks. These cards are versatile and easy to use. Step 1 is simple: purchase an Amazon gift card from the official website or a local store. Choose the amount you need. Next, step 2, log into your Amazon account and redeem your gift card by entering the code. This adds funds to your account. Step 3, now that you have funds, dedicate them for Vbucks. Make sure your Amazon balance covers the in-game purchases. Now, let's move to step 4, open Fortnite. Navigate to the Vbucks purchase section where all the options are laid out for you. And that's it. In our conclusion, remember to use your Vbucks wisely. Enjoy the new skins and gear, but don't go overboard. If you encounter any issues while purchasing, check our troubleshooting tips. We're here to help you get back to gaming without hassle. In conclusion, using an Amazon gift card for Vbucks is a great choice. It's straightforward, safe, and perfect for all gamers.